Welcome back to my channel, my sunny peeps. What's up? So this is going to be a little unboxing. It's gonna be a little BTS unboxing, their new album Butter. I got this from Amazon, of course. I ordered it from Amazon. So they have it at Target, but this was way cheaper on Amazon. I'm just telling you now. Let's get back to the video. I had a little bit trouble opening this. I stabbed myself with the scissors, but that was like a day ago when I made this. Right now it's September and I made this in mid-August. That's how late I am to this video. I'm so sorry. Yeah, anyways, I was really excited. This is my first unboxing video, like, ever. Oh my gosh, you're so loud outside. Yeah, as I was saying, this is my first unboxing of a K-pop album. As you see, I got Jungkook, and then I got Jin. Oh my gosh. If you know me, then you know who my bias is. Like, for real, I was super excited to get Jin. Like, I love him to death. Even though he doesn't even know I exist, but that's okay. That's alright. Yes, that's the poster that I hung up on my wall. Yep. And I had a little bit trouble opening this because I didn't want to ruin the album. So I tried to be careful with using the scissors. So I thought it would be like the Life Goes On album where you just open it from like it's a book, but obviously not. I was struggling so bad, so I apologize for that. So for this part, I got Jungkook's message. Like, look at him. Look at him. He knows what he's doing. Look. See, I can't really read Korean anymore, so... You see me? But yeah, and then I got Yoongi's photo card. Yoongi's definitely my bias wrecker. Like, look at him. Look at him. And then I got all 7 of them. I was literally freaking out this whole time. And these are the song lyrics for Butter, and then I think, yeah, Permission to Dance as well. And then there's some stickers, and then the little CD. And yeah. Here's where the real stuff starts. Alright, I could not handle this. This was so painful. Like, my eyes, like my heart, my soul left my body. Like, look at Jacob. Oh my gosh. To this day, like right now, I'm fangirling, like, while watching this. Like, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. And we have Jimin. looking so fine. What in the world? Is this even real? Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy this. Like, come on now. You can't not enjoy this. Like, oh my gosh. And Jen, I gotta go. it for this video, my Sunny Peeps. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. Comment down below which BTS member is your favorite as well. And I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, comment down below, and comment what you want to see next, or just in general, what do you want to see me do, or whatever. I really don't know. I'll try to come out with some new content for my gaming channel and this channel as well. So I hope you enjoyed. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.